Medikonda Nutrients is dedicated to crafting and supplying nature-based ingredients of the highest standards. Our Arrowroot Powder is produced through a meticulous process that preserves its natural purity, fine texture, and excellent solubility. The journey begins with the careful selection and harvesting of premium quality arrowroot rhizomes, chosen at peak maturity for their high starch content and nutrient density. Each rhizome is handpicked to ensure only the finest roots move forward for processing. At our sorting and grading area, the freshly harvested rhizomes are thoroughly inspected for size, color, and freshness. Only the best quality roots are selected, washed multiple times to remove soil, fibers, and impurities, ensuring absolute cleanliness and natural integrity. After washing, the outer skin is gently peeled to enhance purity and color. The cleaned rhizomes are then evenly sliced, optimizing them for efficient drying and maximum nutrient preservation. The sliced arrowroot is then transferred to the dehydration area, where it undergoes advanced drying techniques, such as hot air drying or freeze drying. This step locks in the natural starch content, neutral flavor, and nutritional value, while ensuring a bright, clean white appearance. Once perfectly dried, the arrowroot slices are ground in high-grade pulverizers to achieve a fine, silky powder consistency. The powder is then sieved to ensure uniform particle size, resulting in a smooth and high-quality product ideal for food, nutraceutical, and cosmetic applications. Next, the powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate any microbial contaminants and maintain product safety. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, and nutritional value in our quality control process, ensuring it meets our international quality standards. Finally, our organic arrowroot powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and then exported to all over the world. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurturing the herbs with sustainable practices, food safety, consistent quality assurance, with no use of pesticides, with a bit of love and care. We are Medikonda Nutrients.